Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 mobile full specification and detail. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 price in Pakistan is 364,570 rupees as of the 23rd of December 2022. The price of this Samsung latest mobile phone in USA is $2,025 USD, while its price in India is Rs. 183,201. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 phone is speculated to be launched on the 24th of September 2022, expected. The lowest rate of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 PTA approved will be 364,570 Pakistani rupees on Priceoi. You will be able to buy this Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 lightweight, sleek, stylish phone in different colors options, and storage variants across various online and offline stores. You will be able to purchase the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 phone online at best price on Priceoi, Daraz Mall, and OLX. If you are looking for the best Samsung mobile phone under 364,570 rupees, then Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 smartphone is the right choice for you. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 comes with 7.6 inches display, Snapdragon 888 Plus 5G processor, 12GB RAM, 256GB 512GB inbuilt storage, 12 megapixels rear cameras, 16 megapixels selfie camera, phantom black, phantom silver, phantom green colors, 4,500 mAh battery, and more. Find Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 series full details, first look, best deal, download firmware updates, coupons, offers, comparisons, case, review, models, RAM, ROM, battery, screen size, chipset, colors, user reviews, rating, and more specs, on Pricebee. For the latest tech news and Samsung mobile news, follow Pricebee Gadgets on Twitter, Facebook, and Google News. Also, find all informations about gemstones. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 full specification General. Brand Samsung mobile phone model name Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 pricers. 364,570, 2,549 euros per 186,958 rupees per C $4,050 release date the 24th of September 2022 expected display 7.6 inches processor Snapdragon 888 plus 5G RAM 12GB inbuilt storage 256GB 512 rear cameras 12MP selfie camera 16MP colors phantom black, phantom silver, phantom green battery 4,500 mAh. Network technology GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, 5G 2G bands GSM 850-900s, 1800 1900s. CDMA 800, 19003G Banshpa 850-900s, 1700 AWS 1900 2100. HSDPA 800